Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring page size and margins so your design prints at the exact dimensions needed for sublimation. Open File Page Setup, enter the final width and height, and set margins to 0 or the smallest value your printer supports. Once done, insert your high-resolution PNG or PDF. Google Docs maintains visual scale so you can size images precisely. Make sure to lock aspect ratio when resizing and place guides or ruler measurements to match your transfer area for accurate. Now build the design. Use Insert Drawing to stack images, text, and shapes so elements stay together. Align and group elements, then size the group to fit the page exactly. This prevents shift when you export. Because Docs doesn't export color profiles, pick vivid RGB colors and note hex or RGB values for consistency. Once grouped, double-check text fonts and stroke weights so fine details remain legible after transfer. Make sure to flip horizontally if your transfer requires a mirrored print before export. Finish by exporting your document as a PDF or high-resolution PNG using File Download. Once exported, open the file in your printer or RIP software to confirm resolution and apply mirroring if the transfer process needs it. Print a small test on sublimation paper to verify scale and color. Sublimation colors can shift, so adjust saturation or contrast in the RIP if required. Troubleshooting tip: if colors look dull, increase saturation slightly and confirm the printer profile and transfer temperature/time settings match your substrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.